Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 8 coolest tech gadgets all available on Amazon. Whether you're a gadget geek or just looking to upgrade your tech game, these picks are sure to impress. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. 8. Nothing Ear Wireless Earbuds. The Nothing Ear Wireless Earbuds, crafted by the innovative tech company Nothing, have quickly become a standard choice in the crowded wireless earbuds market. Launched with a focus on minimalist design and superior audio quality, these earbuds showcase a transparent, futuristic aesthetic that sets them apart from competitors. The Nothing Ear features a distinctive see-through design that reveals the inner workings of the earbuds, creating a visually striking effect. Equipped with advanced active noise cancellation, ANC, and transparency modes, the earbuds offer a versatile listening experience, allowing users to immerse themselves in their music or stay aware of their surroundings when needed. The sound quality is further enhanced by custom-tuned drivers, ensuring crisp highs and deep bass for a balanced audio experience. 7. USBC Microphone. A USBC microphone is a modern audio recording device that connects to computers, tablets, or smartphones using a USB-C port. Unlike traditional microphones that often use USB-A or analog connections, USB-C microphones leverage the latest USB-C standard to deliver high-quality audio with improved data transfer speeds and lower latency. These microphones are particularly advantageous for their plug-and-play capability, requiring no additional drivers or complex setup, just a direct connection to the device. They are widely used by content creators, podcasters, and professionals who need reliable audio input for streaming, recording, or voice calls. The USB-C connection supports digital signal processing, allowing for enhanced sound clarity and accuracy. Many USB-C microphones come with features like built-in preamps, gain controls, and noise cancellation technologies, ensuring clear and professional sound quality. 6. Yubo Yuiki 5 NFC. The Yubo Yuiki 5 NFC is a versatile and robust hardware security key designed to enhance digital security and simplify user authentication. This compact device supports multiple authentication protocols, including FIDO2, WebAuthn, and U2F, making it compatible with a wide range of online services and applications. The NFC, Near-Field Communication, capability allows for seamless, contactless authentication with supported smartphones and tablets, providing an added layer of convenience and security. With its sturdy construction and water-resistant design, the Yubo 5 NFC is built to withstand everyday wear and tear, ensuring reliable performance over time. The key operates using a simple touch-based mechanism, where a quick tap on the device authenticates the user, making it a hassle-free alternative to traditional password-based login systems. 5. OKupa Union 5 Hand Warmer. The OKupa Union 5's hand warmer is a versatile and efficient device designed to provide warmth in cold conditions. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and carry, offering a convenient solution for staying warm during chilly outdoor activities or harsh winter conditions. With its advanced heating technology, the Union 5S can deliver consistent and adjustable warmth at multiple temperature settings, ensuring you can find the perfect level of heat for your needs. Equipped with a powerful battery, the OKupa Union 5S provides long-lasting warmth, making it ideal for extended periods outdoors. The hand warmer also doubles as a portable power bank, allowing you to charge your electronic devices on the go, which is a practical feature for travelers or anyone spending extended time outside. Its sleek, user-friendly interface allows for easy operation. 4. Dual-Screen Rugged Smartphone. A dual-screen rugged smartphone merges durability with advanced multitasking capabilities, making it an ideal choice for professionals and adventurers in demanding environments. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, this device features a robust, shock-resistant build and meets military-grade durability standards. NIOSTD 810G. It is water and dust-resistant, IP68 rating, ensuring reliable performance even in harsh weather or challenging terrain. The dual-screen setup significantly enhances productivity by allowing users to run multiple applications simultaneously. For instance, one screen can display real-time maps while the other handles communications or critical data, facilitating efficient multitasking without the need to switch between apps. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the smartphone provides extended usage, crucial for long days in the field. 3. Yubo O1 Pro. The Yubo O1 Pro is a compact, high-performance smart projector designed to deliver an impressive home entertainment experience. Its sleek and minimalist design houses advanced projection technology that enables it to produce bright, clear images with vivid colors. Featuring 4K resolution, the O1 Pro ensures sharp, detailed visuals that enhance the viewing experience whether you're watching movies, playing games, or streaming content. One of the stand-up features of the Yubo O1 Pro is its integrated smart functionality. It runs on an Android operating system, allowing users to install and access various apps directly from the projector without needing an external device. 2. Hagibis Magnetic M2230. The Hagibis Magnetic M2230 is a specialized external SSD enclosure designed to accommodate M2230 solid-state drives. This compact and robust enclosure is ideal for users who need a portable and high-speed storage solution, especially for devices that use M2230 form factor drives, such as certain ultrabooks or tablets. One of the key features of the Hagibis Magnetic M2230 is its magnetic design, which allows for easy attachment and detachment of the SSD. This magnetic feature simplifies the process of installing or removing the drive without the need for additional tools. 1. Xaco. Xaco is a brand known for its innovative solutions in the realm of tech and consumer electronics, particularly focusing on high-quality, versatile products that enhance everyday life. Although specific details about Xaco's product lineup can vary, the brand generally emphasizes user-friendly designs, advanced technology, and reliable performance. For example, if Xaco offers products such as smart gadgets, home automation tools, or tech accessories, these items typically feature cutting-edge technology and intuitive interfaces. Their products might include smart home devices like security cameras or smart locks. And that's a wrap on our top 8 coolest tech gadgets, all available on Amazon. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.